Shannon Cowart here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about the Santa Fe Sport. I wanted to take the opportunity to show you this one on the showroom floor. So let's get right to it. If you will, you'll come through the back. You'll notice there is ample room for 3 passengers. Now this has nice quality leather seating. Up front on the steering wheel, you've got your volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. I'll pair your phone before you drive off the lot. These buttons here, they toggle through your back display. This particular model also has navigation, backup camera. It's got dual climate control, auxiliary, iPod, USB, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months. It's also got the beautiful panoramic sunroof. Now, you didn't specify the trim packages. We've got every package to fit the needs. But the most important thing is the America's Best warranty. There is a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. Now, if that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Cowart. I'm your personal sales associate. The number here at the dealership is 205-380-6250. You may reach me on my cell at 205-907-4700. Again, that's Shannon, 205-907-4700. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.